Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I am trying out a U-part wig. The U-part wig is giving, it is literally giving, guys. Like I'm slightly obsessed. I'm not gonna kid you. Okay, so I have this unit in a body wave texture. I'm making this a real simple process, okay? Because U-part wigs can be very easy if you let it. This took me probably 10 minutes, I kid you not. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair, of course, give myself a U shape of my leave out that will be utilized for this wig process today. My hair was already straightened, so it didn't require too much on camera. So the U-part wig doesn't come with clip-ins, but you can definitely install your own clip-ins if you would like. But they do provide you with combs, so you'll have about 2 combs to use in the front, about 2 in the back and 2 on the side, and then you'll have 1 in the back, and then you have your adjustable bands. I highly suggest using the adjustable bands in the back because it can really help with making your U-part wig feel really secure, so you won't feel like it's going to be moving throughout the day or the period of time that you are wearing it. So since I was just really in love with the texture and pattern of this hair, I'm not going to add too much heat or curls to it. I'm just going to utilize it as how it is. And I'm adding just a few curls right in the front where I felt like some of it like fell a little short and was a little bit straight or didn't look like it matched the current curl pattern. Once I add those curls, then I'm just going to straighten out my hair, make sure everything is nice, flat, blended. That is key with your U-part wigs. You want to make sure that your leave out is blended with the U-part wig, okay? You want it to be like, oh, that's her hair, you know? So make sure you really focus on that blend ratio with your leave out and the wig, and make sure you really, you know, just focus on it. And I feel like that came out pretty good considering the fact that I don't straighten my hair often. It was able to blend in with my hair, and I think my hair is 4B if I'm not mistaken. I'm not double sure on that, but it blended really well with this textured hair. Overall, the U-part wig is really, really good. I love the density of it. I feel like you can add some layers to it if you want to and make it look even more natural and just kind of flowy. You can straighten out this hair. You can even dye it if you want to. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in this U-part wig, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a direct link for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.